Welcome to 2047 Lake Carolina Drive. This nice 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 2-car garage, fenced backyard, and laminate hardwood flooring throughout the first level and in all bathrooms. It's located in the Centennial neighborhood in Lake Carolina in Northeast Columbia. Convenient to I-77 and I-20. Great dining and shopping in Sandhills, Richland 2 schools, and Fort Jackson. So out front of the home, you can see there are sidewalks on this side of the street. You have a nice sized driveway here and a 2-car garage, as well as a covered front porch. So as we step inside, you'll notice the beautiful laminate hardwood flooring throughout the main level of the home. It continues into the kitchen and the half bath down here as well. So this living room right off the entry has a ceiling fan, few windows, and you can see it's open to the kitchen, and then you also have another space on the other side there. So sort of multifunctional here. You can kind of arrange things how you like. You can use this as a living and dining area, or have your dining area over here, or just have it as all living space. You have a half bathroom here, the pedestal sink and commode off the living area. Then you have a wide galley-style kitchen. You have wood cabinets, sort of grayish countertops. You have a smooth top electric range, as well as a microwave. Above, there's a dishwasher and a stainless steel French door refrigerator. You also do have a pantry in the kitchen as well. And again, open to a nice sized room right off the kitchen. Additional living or dining space. You have a sliding door that lets you out to your backyard, where you have a large concrete patio and a fenced backyard. A few trees back there as well. So in this corner, you have a closet at the bottom here, a coat closet, and that is right off of the door to the garage. And you'll have to excuse the lighting. No garage lighting in here as of right now, but you can see nice sized 2-car garage, also where the water heater is as well. Alright, so going up the stairs, so the carpeting starts sort of on the stairs and is throughout the second level with the exception of the bathrooms. So all 4 of your rooms are off the landing here. To the left, you have your washer and dryer connections in the laundry closet. 2 bifold doors close that off. There's a shelf above as well. And this landing as well also doubles as another seating area, or you could have a small office area up here as well, bigger than a standard hallway. So also the master bedroom, large 2 windows facing the front of the home. Right on the way to the bathroom, you have 2 closets. One is a walk-in here on the left, and then you do have a second closet, just a smaller, sort of more standard closet here on the right side. And then you have your full bathroom. You have double sinks in here, an updated vanity. And then you have some built-in shelving here behind the door. Great extra storage space, as well as a garden tub and shower. And then there's 3 additional bedrooms off of the second floor here. So here's 1 of 3. This one faces the front of the house as well. Have a small closet in the corner here, but it does make good use of the space by having 2 levels of hanging shelves. Then your 3rd bedroom, overlooking the backyard. Same type of closet setup in here as in the last bedroom. Second full bathroom, also with those floors, single vanity, and a shower and tub. Just a standard size tub in here. And then last but not least, your 4th and final bedroom in the home. Faces the backyard as well. And this one has a small walk-in closet at that back left corner. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 2047 Lake Carolina Drive. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803 407-8522.